This is 2012, the 2012 Volkswagen Passat. We're going to change out the speakers. First thing we're going to do is you're going to remove this. You're going to remove that. And there should be screws and clips. So, use a panel popper. Carefully pop that out. It's kind of tight, but it comes out. So there are clips there, and you're going to pop that out. It kind of slides in like this. See these? That slides in here. So once you pop this side out, slide this way to remove. And there is a torque screw. You just turn it. You're gonna make like 90-degree angle like that. And we're gonna take this out. Start it from this angle right here. Carefully pry that. This is a thin plastic, so careful not to break it. Once you have it, there's a screw right there. It's the same torque screws. This one comes out complete. And there is one more on the bottom, right there. Oops. Line up like that straight. Pry the entire door panel out. It's very tight on this corner. See how this one goes inward? So this screw has to line up straight to release to that hole, and you lift it up. So unhook this, unplug that. After that, we have a lot of videos cutting this basket off and use this plastic piece as a spacer. As you can see, it's about 1.5 inches deep. And if you just get rid of all this and put the speaker directly into the panel, you may hit the glass. So since these speakers are no good, we're going to cut this off and use this as a spacer. This was the screw that has to line up straight 90-degree up 12 o'clock. So it comes through that hole. Right, so we got the new speaker put in. When you try to put this door panel in, these clips here, okay, these clips that's supposed to be on here. Now what's happening is these get normally pushed in like this, and you try to put this one in because it's spread out, it will not go back in. So what you're gonna have to do is pull this out. So once you have these out, as you can see, before it was pushed in, it's spread out. So it's not going to go into the hole. So you pull this out of the way like this, then as you put the door panel back on, the hole lines up here and it's gonna stick into the hole. Versus if you have this one already pushed downward, it won't go in. So you gotta make sure that these 3 tabs pull out this way. So when you put this back into the hole, it snaps in. So of course it's all around, so you gotta do all of it. And these, of course, you gotta line up straight 12 o'clock like this. So I'm gonna plug in all the harnesses, the release cables. It comes through this way, straight up this way, so it comes through that hole. So once you line up that hole, it snaps in. And these, of course, when you have it in through that hole, you're going to turn the knob 3 o'clock this way. Before it was this way, so we're going to turn it this way to lock in place. Same thing on the bottom. There are 2 of them. One here, one there. We're going to do the same thing. Like this, turn this way. It was this way, I'm going to turn this way. Basically, it released the locking tab by doing this way. And once you're done, you turn it this way to lock in place. Have it.